the next sentence that I am going to write. Please see. See the next sentence. The next sentence that I am going to write. Please try to rearrange. The next sentence is a spider. A spider. A spider. A large. A spider, a large, fires. 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 Tarantula. 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 And hairy is dangerous. Now, here you see a spider, a large, fires, tarantula, is, and. Here you see the words. Now, first of all, read the sentence carefully. A spider, a large, fires, tarantula, and hairy is. First of all, read the sentence. Then give it a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 phrases that is used, or there are 7 words that is used in this jumbled sentence. Now, what is the subject? Tarantula. That is the subject. Now here you write tarantula. Tarantula. Now it is a singular subject, so it will take this. So tarantula is a large, L-A-R-G, large. A large is a one word. And fires. Tarantula is a large and fires. ठीक है? Now, tarantula is large, fires, and hairy spider. Hairy, hair से बना, hairy spider. Tarantula is large, fires, and large spider. Tarantula is a large, fires, and hairy spider. Here it will be comma. Tarantula is a large, fires, and hairy spider. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 words. So this is the way. When you finish your sentence, please recount the number of words that you have written in your jumbled sentences. After reordering, recount the words. If it is 7, first of all read the sentence. Try to grasp the meaning if the sentence is correct or not. Because so far as sentence is concerned, sentence is a group of words that's a meaningful sentence. That makes a sense. If you have written a sentence that has some sense, and if it is, everything is written here, you have to just arrange. And if you will arrange it in a proper way, certainly a sense will come out. After that, you count the words. Time and again I am hitting upon counting the words are very important. If you are counting the words, then only you can get a correct answer of a jumbled sentence. Now, the next you see, next sentence I am writing. Please see the next. Please see the next. Please see the next sentence. Next sentence is that on hum, one hum, H-U-M-P, hum, one hum, camel slash, one hum, camel, the Arabian, slash, the bacterian, B-A-C-T, bacteria से बना bacterian, bacterian camel slash, bacterian camel has two. Now, you read the sentence. Now, read the sentence again. Try to, first of all, the very first thing that you will do, that you will count the number of words. One hum, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. There are 5 phrases that is used in this jumble sentence. Now, try to do the rough work of this jumble sentence. How you could do? See, the Arabian camel, come on, or the bacterian, start the sentence. The Arabian camel has, come on, start. The Arabian camel has, the Arabian camel has one hum, and के बाद bacterium 2. Okay? The Arabian camel has one bump, the bacterian camel 2. Okay? So there are 6 phrases that is used in this jumble sentence. Now, see, now the Arabian camel 1, okay, it is has now 2, 1 hump 3, 1 hump 3, and 4. The bacterium 5, and that is 6. There are 6 phrases or words that is used in this jumble sentences. So, my dear children, how to do it? First of all, read the sentence properly. First of all, read the sentence properly. Count the number of words or phrases that is given. Do a rough work. Try to write this jumble sentence with a pencil in a rough work and reread the sentence that you have written. The very first step, that you try to understand that whether the sentence that you have written is reordered correctly or not. If it is making a sense, then it is correct. Then the last thing, if it is not correct, count the number of words. Then if the words are same, if in a question there are 6 words or phrases that is used in this jumble sentence, if it is 6, then it is right. 1. Then the third stage, how to, what is the subject? Try to see what is the subject of the sentence. Then subject is agreement. If it is singular subject, the word is written correct. You need not to find. If it is, if it is has, then it is a singular subject. So here the singular subject is the Arabian or the bacterium. You can start the sentence like that also. The bacterian camel has two, and the American camel has 1. But it will be not correct. Then you write again. The Arabian camel has 1 hump. The Arabian camel that we have normally seen, try to recall the camel, that camel with a hump. So the Arabian camel has 1 hump. The Arabian camel has 1 hump and the bacterium 2. So in this way you have corrected the sentence. Now see the next. See the next. See the next. See the next. The next sentence that I am going to write. Of fat, F-A-T, fat, / of fat R. Scare. S-C-A-R-E. Scare. Dull. Scare. A store. A store of. A store of. Used. Used when. Slash. Used when. The bump. The bump. Slash. The bump. Slash. Is. Food. Slash. Food and water. Food and water. Here you could see the sentence that I have written. Of fat are scarce, a store of when used when the bump is food and water. Now, you have read the sentence. Now, the second step is to count the words. Please count the words. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. There are 7 words or phrases used in this sentence. Now, as it is. So, try to find the subject. What is the subject? The bump. The bump is the subject. So, here the bump. Here the bump is the subject. So, you write in this way. The bump is. The bump, B-U-M-P, is used. Is used. The bump is a store. The bump is a store of. A store of. क्या है? A store of food and water. The bump is a store of what? Food and water. The bump is a store of fat. F-A-T, fat. A store of fat. The bump is a store of fat. The bump is a store of fat. Next sentence क्या होगा? The bump is a store of fat used when. Used when कब यूज किया जाता है? Used when food and water. Used when कब किया जाता है? जल्दी बताइए. Used when food and food and water scarce. Food and water scarce. So here you see how food and water are scarce. Are scarce. Here you see. So dear children, I suppose you have understood properly how to frame this meaningful jumble sentences. As we have seen how jumbled sentences can be written, I suppose you might have understood it properly. I request you to properly do the practice of jumbled sentences. The bump is a store of fat used when food and water are scarce. So here you see, so this is the way it can be done. I suppose you have understood it properly. If you have any query, please ask. Please ask if you have any query. Do you have any query, my dear children? Please ask. Please ask. So, I thank you for joining the online classes. I welcome, but I am very sorry that only few students are attending classes regularly. This is very poor concern. I know, my dear children, that there is a problem, but heroes are those who overcome the problems, and you are my real heroes. You are my brave boys and girls. And I know that you have that much capability and capacity to give a great fight back to all the worst situation and circumstances. So I request you to attend the class regularly. I thank you once again for attending the class. That's all. Have a nice day.